For those who rely on nebulizer treatments as an important part of their therapy program, effective aerosol delivery is critical. With traditional jet nebulizers, whether the user is inhaling or not, aerosol is being produced and released continuously, represented here by the blue band. Breath-enhanced nebulizers introduced air entrainment, which helped increase the amount of aerosol delivered for each breath. This recognized the best time to deliver aerosol was during inhalation, and conversely, that on exhalation, aerosol delivery should be reduced. Since both of these types of nebulizers continue to release medication, up to 2/3 of the aerosol may not reach the lungs because the patient is exhaling, is between breaths, or is taking a break from treatment. This brings a couple of questions to mind. How much medication is the patient actually receiving? And since it is emitted into the air, who else is breathing the medication? What if aerosolized medication was only produced on inhalation and not on exhalation or between breaths? The AeroEclipse nebulizer is breath actuated and works in just this manner. Aerosol is only produced when the patient is inhaling, delivering medication deep into the lungs. When they are exhaling or taking a break to rest or talk, the medication is contained in the cup until they are ready for their next inhalation. There is no wasted cloud of aerosol spilling into the air. The easy-to-see feedback button lowers on inhalation, indicating aerosol is being produced. Then it returns to its original position to indicate aerosol production has stopped when the patient has stopped inhaling. By watching the feedback button, the patient can get better control of their breathing pattern for slow inhalation. This can also encourage users to take the long, slow breaths recommended to improve aerosol penetration and deposition in the lungs. Have confidence in knowing and seeing medication is being inhaled by the patient, not dumped in the environment. It's time to rethink nebulizer therapy. Safer, more effective aerosol delivery is available with the AeroEclipse Breath Actuated Nebulizer.